Hi, Jeanette. My name is Melissa. I'm partnered with Kylie over at Ringen. I just wanted to take a minute and shoot you over this quick video showing you some tips and tricks on how you can increase your online presence. So I pulled up your website here. So the way Google really ranks your website is three different ways. The content that you have on your page, citations, and backlinks. So we'll start with the content. So Google has what's called crawlers. So they go through and analyze your website and they go and look at all of your content and see how many keywords you have that are relevant to your scope of work. So in your case, it would be travel agent, traveling, hotels, flights, things of that nature. And Google really likes to see at least 1,500 words of content on that homepage in order for you to be recognized. So let's go and look and see who does come up on that first page of Google. See what your competitors are doing to rank in that spot. So if you Google travel agent, these up here are the paid advertising. So those are the people that are paying per click. And if you scroll down a little bit, this is what's called the map pack. So you really want to try and be on the top three of this as well. So when people are Googling and searching for a travel agent, they're typically going to choose one of these top three guys. And you really want to have at least 25 five-star reviews, 10 to 15 pictures, and also citations will help you rank these pages as well. Citations are directories where your business name, phone number, and location are listed. This is anything like Yelp, Home Advisor, Better Business Bureau, Angie's List, anything like that. So if we keep going down a little bit, these are called the organics. It's really good to be on the first page of these organics as well, because a lot of people might scroll past all of the ads and the Google pages and go straight down to here. So if we look at this top guy, Liberty Travel, so their website looks good. They have over 1,900 words, which Google is definitely recognizing that. And that's one of the reasons why they are at that first page of Google. So we use this program called Ahrefs, and it actually analyzes your website and tells you how you're ranking in Google's eyes. So if we look at your website, for example, it looks like you don't have any traffic coming through your website a month. So this number right here, this is the number of people that are actually clicking on your website per month. These are the number of keywords that are on your site that Google is recognizing. So it looks like you have 11. And this UR and DR. So the UR is how powerful your site is, and the DR is how trustworthy your site is. And these are both out of 100. So what really brings up your trustworthy rating here is the amount of backlinks, but not just the amount of backlinks, it's the amount of reputable backlinks. You want them to be coming from relevant content and not from any spammy type of sites that have nothing to do with travel or travel agents or anything of that nature. And a backlink is any website, article or blog or anything that's referring your website and driving traffic back to your website. So if we go and look at that top competitors website analysis here, they have over 80,000 people coming to their site a month, over 90,000 keywords, 85,000 backlinks, and those are coming from almost 3,000 referring domains. So that's what's really driving up this UR and DR rating here. So basically, if you just get some more content on your website and grab some backlinks, get some citations, put a lot of those relevant keywords on your site, you'll really be more in business and be able to compete with all these guys and get you to the top of that Google page. I hope that some of these tips were helpful and you're able to implement some of them. Please leave us some feedback and feel free to reach out and ask us any questions you may have. Have a great night.